aka Niveditha, and today I am going to show you how to recycle 2 tetra packs into one basket. So let's start our video. For this you need 2 tetra packs, pen or pencil, scale, cutter and scissors. First we need to cut these triangles from both the sides, and after cutting it will look like this. Now we have to draw here lines like this. And we have to do the same with the other tetra pack. After drawing lines on all the sides, we need to cut it. After cutting, we need to take one pack and divide it into 4 parts vertically. Cut it with scissors and cutter. So let's start. We need to cut these edges. Now, after cutting, we need to fold these lines backwards, like this. After folding backwards, it will look like this. Now, we have to take another tetra pack, and after that we have to divide this horizontally. After drawing lines, it will look like this, and now we have to cut the lines. Now we have to cut this part. After cutting this part, we need to cut these lines. After cutting, it will look like this. Now we have to do like this. Now we have to do this with all the pieces. After doing this, we need to take this part and hold it like this. Hold it like this. After holding it like this, we need to take one piece and after that put it inside this. Now after cutting, it will look like this. Now we have to fold this inside and insert it under this space. Like this. Now we have to do this with all the sides. And after that, it will look like this. I hope you liked that craft. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.